All right, everybody. What's up? Mr. Pauline here. We are working on a 2010 Jeep Compass today. You have any bumper drivers in your family? Bumper car drivers? That's what we're doing today. This is the blinker light lens. Okay. Let me show you over here what it looks like. So we have that one taken out. That was the broken one you just saw. See that? And we have the other side. We're going to do the other side too. We're going to do that one together there. Okay. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a 7mm socket. You're going to get to these right here. You'll have 3 of them right there. And you'll peel that. Right up here, what holds this bumper right here, that's a 10mm. Upside down right here. So you'll have to get up in there and take it out. Next, Phillips screwdriver and take out each one of these screws. Okay. And then this will just be ready to peel out. So you'll have enough room to get in there like that. In the back, the 3 holes are 3 screws. It's those star ones. So you're going to need a T. It's a T15. And that'll take out the back 3 there. And we'll do that together on the other side. So let's go ahead and let's get this one in. On the light bulb plug, this little red will be locked. You'll have to press it up, up, up before you can press the button to pull it out. Okay, I used a screwdriver and just did it up because it's a lot more easier on the fingertips. And you're going to need a 3157 light bulb if you're doing any replacements. 3157 light bulb for the blinker lights there, okay? On your broken lens, unless your new part comes with it. This one did not, but you're going to need your light bulb socket. So on this, you're going to have to twist it and pull it right out. And then just be ready to put the new one in. Find its position that fits. Sometimes these things are a pain. Let's see. Right there. And then just turn it and lock it in there. Okay? Peel off your little plastic. Wow, it's stuck on there. Peel off that beautiful plastic so you can show the beautiful part. And we're just going to stick it right back in. Get the T15s and get them back in there. Okay, so that's what it looks like. You got the top screws, and then you got one on the bottom there, and then you plug in your socket there with your 3157 light bulb, and it looks a lot better when you're done. So let me get this one back together, and we'll do the other side. Okay, so the next side might be a little more easier since it looks like that. We're missing the 10mm. We're going to be taking off here. But we still have the 3 7mm that will be taken off here. So let's get my tool out. And let's take these off. Take the next one. And the next one, which they're not even really on there. And then you just peel back slightly. And then you got room. See that? That's a what? And then there's the 3 screws you'll have to get off there. Okay, so I'll get my tool out. Start breaking them loose. Then there's the lock. See, that just went right back. And then you just push the button and pull pull that sucker out. Okay, get your last screw out. Okay. And then once you get the last screw out, it slides out. Let me put this down. So it slides out because it's got sliders right here. So just push it out like that. Okay. All right. Looks good. Looks good. All right. So slide in your new one. So you got your sliders right here, and you got the holes right here. So what you do is you just slide it on in, just like that. So you got your 3157. Just pop that sucker right up in there like that. Okay. All you do after that is just go over here and slide it in. Find the right position. And I can't do it while holding the camera. Okay, you make sure your screws are in. And you grab your plug and plug it in. Push real hard. And then you'll have to lock the thing. And then you're ready to just put it all back together. And then when you're finished, you test them and make sure they're working. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, join our team, and keep watching our videos. Peace out, everybody, and we'll see you next time.